Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error, unable to send message. If Outlook is showing an error when you try to send an email, one common cause is that offline mode may be enabled, or your internet connection may not be stable enough for messages to go through properly. In this walkthrough, we'll check both of those areas in a simple and practical way. Begin by opening Microsoft Outlook in your web browser. Once Outlook is fully loaded, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. There you should see the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. Click on that settings icon to open the settings panel. After the settings menu appears, look for the general section and click on it. This area contains broader Outlook preferences that affect how the app behaves. Inside general, find the offline option and select it. This section is especially important because if Outlook is set to work offline, it may allow you to draft messages, but prevent them from being sent successfully. Now make sure the offline setting is turned off. If it is enabled, switch it off so Outlook can connect normally to the mail server. This is often a quick fix for send errors, especially if messages are getting stuck or not leaving the outbox. After changing the setting, give Outlook a moment to reconnect. Next, double-check your internet speed and connection stability. Even if your device appears to be online, a weak or inconsistent connection can interrupt the sending process. Slow internet can sometimes cause Outlook to time out or fail to complete the message upload, especially if your email includes attachments. To confirm your connection is working well, open a sample speed test in your browser and run it to check the speed of your internet. Wait for the test to finish, then review the results. If the speed is unusually low or the connection seems unstable, try reconnecting to your network before attempting to send the email again. As an extra tip, once you've confirmed offline mode is off and your internet is working properly, return to Outlook and try sending the message one more time. In many cases, these checks are enough to resolve the issue. That's it for this guide. By verifying Outlook's offline setting and checking your internet speed, you can often fix the unable to send message error quickly and get your email working again.